everyone, welcome back to my channel IRS Originals. Today we are again at Prestige City, but this time not only to show you the entire project status. Today we are here to receive the handover of our own flat, which is on the 14th floor of Tower 7 in Avalon Park. So let's get inside Tower 7.
స్మార్ట్ టికెట్ ఇంకోటి మెయింటెనెన్స్
Okay.
రెండిట్లోనూ సింగిల్ రెండిట్లోనూ డేట్స్ ఉంటాయి.
Okay.
అది ఎప్పుడు
1 inch by?
Shifting of electrical,
Uh-huh.
right? 1 inch for the
ఓపెన్ చేసి ఇలా రైట్ లెగ్ పెట్టి
in open.
వన్ చెక్ రైట్ లెగ్ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ పోనీ పోనీ
This is gonna be our happy space and complete home. This is a literally wonderful view from our balcony, which is from master bedroom. If you can see, the sunset is so damn cool from here. And yeah, we're gonna do a lot of chit chats looking at the sunsets and everything. I think most of you guys are gonna enjoy the space. And stay tuned to IRS Originals. We are gonna come with another video with a detailed explanation of what you must keep handy while you're going for handover, and also what would be the steps, how was our experience, and how did our complete apartment currently is looking like. Thank you.